Welcome, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, Shibadoge and Crypto.com listening partnership is going to become one of the biggest bump for Shibadoge token. Crypto.com are one of the big top crypto exchanges listening Shibadoge. Definitely, we are going to experience an increase on Shibadoge market cap, an increase in price, an increase in Shibadoge holding and wallet, and also community, because crypto.com have over 10 million global customers. Imagine that. So crypto.com can create a better impact if they can partner with Shibadoge. Yes, that is the truth. Their own local coin, CRO, Chrono CRO. Of course, that coin is doing well. And remember, they are part of the Qatar 2022 World Cup. They are part of the Qatar sponsoring the World Cup. So Crypto.com, for me, they are one of the biggest company out there. So if they can release Shibadoge, because according to the developers, they are working towards getting Shibadoge to be listed by Crypto.com, and when that happens, of course, we are expecting a positive impact on Shibadoge, especially in the area of increase in price, increase in cap, increase in holding, increase in wallet, increase on the community of Shibadoge. Shibadoge, of course, we hope to see that partnership become success. We hope to see that partnership progress, because when that happens, yes, holders might be smiling to the back very soon. Of course, there is going to be a positive impact on that partnership, and I hope to see this actually happen before the end of 2023. Yes, if Crypto.com can really list Shibadoge and partner with Shibadoge, then we are expecting a massive increase in price on Shibadoge token. So to me, I think holders should keep getting more patience, because you might not know, Shibadoge might become that next Shiba Inu. Shibadoge is still trading with about 16 zeros. Imagine Shibadoge deleting about 5 to 6 zeros. Many people will start regretting it, like the way people did for Shiba Inu, because deleting 5 to 6 zeros, even with a $20 investment, you might become a millionaire in dollars. That's the truth, because that is a lot of profit. So to me, I think that Shibadoge, let's keep having some faith. But remember, if you want to invest, do not invest what you can afford, what you cannot afford to lose. So please kindly invest what you can afford to lose, because that is the golden rule here. And also remember that Shibadoge token, we hope to see this coin bump very soon. Once again, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.